Hi there. It's time for another watching the traffic go by. And right now, it's snowing. And as the joke goes, it's no joke. You may not be able to see the snow coming down, but it's coming down. The street's pretty much cleared, although the side street here and the parking lot isn't though, but the main street is plowed. There goes another car going in that lot over there. I mean, this is one of those days that you really, holy crap. Did you just see that? I think that car was going too fast and he slid sideways. Wow. Yeah, it's just because the street looks clear, it doesn't mean that it's not, perilous, You gotta still, it's still snowy, it's still slippery, and oh, that's interesting. Look at him slowing down now. See, everybody's going to regular speed. Now, I guess some people are driving smart, and see, there's that car. He's driving modest speeds. See, some of these cars, some of these drivers, they just go nuts. They think it's okay, see. Now, I don't know what happened to that car. I mean, it's not like he hit a curve, and then he went into a skid. I mean, it was a straightaway, and he just lost control of the car, and he went into a skid and started sliding sideways. It's like, wow. I'm glad nobody got hurt. I'm glad there was no other cars around.
See my car down there?
Which one?
The one right at the bottom there, at the end? Right below you.
You talking about this one?
Yeah. The Honda.
Okay, well, I can't tell from this. This is what car it is. Okay, so this car right here, right? That's your car.
No, one right at the bottom.
Right here.
Right down there.
Oh, right here.
At the end.
Oh. Ooh.
Sucker's buried.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I couldn't even see it. Can't even see this car. Yeah, it's kind of buried in there. Wow.
That's irritating.
There we go. Alright, here comes some traffic. Heading southbound. I'm sure they're thinking, well, we're heading southbound, so where we're going should be warmer than it is up here. But that's not the case. You know, it would be nice. How cold is it out there? How cold is it out there? Hello? I got something about myself, kid. Alright. Well, it's gotta be cold for the snow to stick. You know. Look at the traffic though. Still got traffic, and he's gonna make a turn into AutoZone. No, he's wants to go right. Oh, okay, so he was trying to get into the lane into traffic. See, this is the kind of weather, because it's still snowing. It's still snowing. And this is the kind of day to not go out unless you absolutely have to. You know, like if you have to go to work. But more or less, and you have to be super careful when you're driving in weather conditions like this. And thankfully, I think everybody's still going the same speed that they always do. Now that car looks like he's a little too fast. I don't know, he's going like 30, 40 miles an hour. Maybe 40. It's hard to tell. Okay, so here comes some southbound traffic.
Oh, okay. I've got it.
See, now this is smart. See, everybody's going at a slower speed. They know that road conditions are not the best. And so they're just going at a nice, steady clip.
Yeah. No, that was just in his room.
See, and it's, like I said, you might be able to see the snow. It's still coming down. How cold is it out there? Do you know? I'm still talking to myself. Okay. Okay. Oh, see, that car's going slow. Now that car, look at that car. Now that's snow driving. See that speed? See, he's going at a nice clip. You know, the kind of safe speed you want to drive in this weather conditions. Now, some cars are equipped with anti-lock brakes, but even with anti-lock brakes, you still have to drive at a safe speed and drive safely. Now here's a car. He wants to leave that side road, and I think he wants to make a left-hand turn, and he's waiting for southbound traffic to clear so that he can turn into the street, but southbound traffic is still... Now, somebody just made a left-hand turn into AutoZone, which should, but he doesn't know that because he's on this side of the building. So he might not have been able to see that, and that would have said, okay, well, if he's making a left-hand turn from the northbound lane into AutoZone, then there should be clearance for me to at least get into that middle lane so I can get into traffic. But it's not easy to see that from his perspective. So he may not be aware of that. So that's why he's still... Okay, here he comes. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. So he's going southbound. Okay. He was heading south. That's not a very easy side road to enter the street from. Okay, we're still getting some southbound traffic. Oh, here comes somebody else. Now he's making a left-hand turn. Oh, see, that was... But see, he went right into it. Here's somebody else now. I wonder what's happening over there. You see some parked cars over there. So obviously something was happening across the street. Okay, there he goes. Going south. Is there anybody else? Any more takers? Okay. Alright. So... Okay, now we got a whole slew of southbound traffic. And right there... I don't know what kind of truck that was. Had an amber flashing light on top of the cab part. Interesting. People, some cars are still covered with snow, even the windows. Now, how long does it take for the defroster to melt the snow? And you think with all the driving around that whatever snow is atop the vehicle. Oh, okay, here we got somebody else. There he goes. Making a left-hand turn into traffic. Oh, here's somebody else. Whatever is going on across the street must be a social event or something. Okay. Now, I can't tell. Is he turning? See, now it's starting to really come down the snow. See, I can't tell from here which direction he's going to go. Is it northbound or southbound? With the weather like this, you don't want to stay out there too long, you know. And I'll just get all the snow off the ground, off the car, while it's snowing in your face, and so you just... And if the temperature is too cold, I mean your door lock might be locked. Oh, there goes a cop car. Okay, he's still waiting. Okay, well, now it's clear. There's no more traffic. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, any more takers? Okay. Now, what is a school bus, doing on a Saturday? Unless kids are taking their SATs, I don't know. That was kind of weird. to see a school bus operating. It's Saturday. Just so you know. Okay, it's a Saturday, and really, I mean, some places, I guess, people work, and if you got to be at your job, you got to be at your job, and you got to go through this weather, and you just got to be careful. Okay, and we got some more traffic, a couple more cars coming, and they're going at a nice slow speed, and that's good. Oh, now this is an idiot right here, driving without his lights on. This truck. Here we go. Here's somebody else wants to pull out, and he's pulling in, but they're still. I think he's heading southbound also. I think he's heading southbound. I can't tell from here which way he's going. Up, there he goes. Yeah, they're all heading south. And up here comes somebody else. So what was happening over there, now I could see he's making a left. I'm sorry, a right, heading southbound. Now, that was easy, I could tell that. That was easy to spot. So whatever was happening across the street ended, you know. All right. Now here's another guy without his lights on. You know, it's actually with this kind of weather, you know, you should always have your lights on. Oh. He's a plowing. Scrape, scrape, scrape. And there he goes. He's scraping. Where is he going? He's going in the parking lot. I guess he's going to clear the parking lot. Now here's a guy. Oh, there he goes. All right, is there somebody there leaving AutoZone over there? You know, we got southbound traffic heading this way, and you see, it's the day is terribly overcast. I mean, you could see it. You know, if you look at it, it's really overcast. It's like very dark, you know, because we've got the snow, you know, hitting, and you know, it's better that you have your lights on more or less so others can see you more than you can see them. But if you look at this, you know, look at the kind of day it is, and it's just here's somebody else, and he was making a left. Oh no, he was heading straight. How often does that happen? You know, he just goes straight across. Yeah. Well, you can see how windy it is. Oh, here's somebody leaving. There he goes. Okay, oh, look at this. Look at this snow coming down. See, how much could you see it? I mean, there you really could see it. Who would like to shovel that side, the front steps and the front walk? You know? And oh, and when the school bus, drops the kids off over here. See, that's the one thing I hated about when I was in school, is I hated the winter months and I hated when it snowed. I always wore winter boots, but they were a pain in the neck to wear. I hated them. And I was so happy when I got home and I took everything off and took off the boots. Oh yeah. Okay, now he is... Okay, where's he gonna go? I think he's... Oh my God, look at that. Windy. Now it's getting windy and blustery. Okay, I think he's gonna make a right-hand turn. I think he's gonna head northbound.
Why, is he struggling or something?
Yeah.
Does he?
He was half person earlier when I a couple minutes ago now and then.
Now we're getting busy. See, now we're really getting busy. We got... Wow, we got one person, two people want to make left-hand turns from two different angles, it looks like. Oh wow, look at that. What a cluster that is. A cluster of turns for a few drivers. All right. Well, I think that's a good way to end this this day of watching the traffic go by. And I hope you enjoyed it. And for those who have never seen snow, I hope you had an eyeful. And for those who've had enough of snow, you're probably shaking your head saying, I'm glad I'm out of there. All right, well, oh, look at this. Now traffic's picking up. Look at this. Wow. Here we go again with two people wanting to make left-hand turns from different perspectives. I don't know if you can see it. There they go. There we go. Oh, he was going around him. That was the thing. Oh, I see what he's doing. Okay. So he couldn't wait for this guy to make his left. So he just drove around him. And he had to wait for northbound traffic to clear before he could go around the guy. Up, and there's the snowplow. There's the snowplow. And he's about to come out of AutoZone over there. And where's he going? He's heading northbound, it looks like. Wow. A lot of activity on a Saturday. Wow. It's a winter wonderland. Right? Oh, wow. It's almost like a Christmas card, don't it? Wow. All the snow. Well, as I said before, it's no joke. Okay, well, I think that's it. I think we'll call it a day. And hope you enjoyed watching. And if you like it, just feel free to subscribe. And I don't know if I'll do another video. It all depends upon how things go. See, during the winter time, it's not easy. It's not easy being green I'd love to see some rain. No, because it's cold out, and the window gets really, really cold, and so I can't really sit at my usual spot because they drew the blinds so that it could absorb some of the cold so the cold doesn't come into the building. So we're doing some, watching some cars from a different room, from a different perspective, and different angle, because we don't have the blinds. It's wide open. But unfortunately, we got the snowdrops on the window, so I hope that didn't interfere with enjoying this video. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share if you liked it, and if you enjoy it, maybe I'll do another one soon, and subscribe. Alright guys, take care, thanks again for watching, and I will see you soon. Alright, take care. Bye.